Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2019 C300 4MATIC. This one is an obsidian black metallic. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has the exterior lighting package with adaptive high beam assist, front and rear LED daytime running lights, the AMG Sportline with the diamond style grille up front, AMG exterior and interior, 18-inch 5-spoke AMG wheels, AMG black MB Tex interior with a dark brown linden wood trim, panorama sunroof, carbon fiber mirror covers, carbon fiber rear spoiler, clean set of AMG floor mats, premium one package with blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, AMG steering wheel, touchpad steering wheel controls, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, 10.25-inch media display, navigation, rear view backup camera, multimedia package, dual climate controls, hard keys for our media display, cup holders, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center, dynamic selects for our different driving patterns. This C-Class has 13,175 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 4MATIC, visit us at feldmanimports.com.